Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a group chat on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now click on the group chat you want to leave. Click on the icon just beside video icon on the top right corner. Scroll down the screen and here you can see leave chat option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, then tap on leave group option. And that is how you can leave a group chat on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.